Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add a button on Wix in the standard Wix editor. Click on the Add Elements button on the left side of the editor. A panel opens showing various element categories. Click on the button category within that panel. The panel expands to show button type subcategories. Click on Text and Icon buttons. This is the most versatile option and lets you use text, icons, or both. A gallery of pre-designed button styles appears. Pick a button design from the gallery and either click it or drag it onto your page. The button appears on the canvas and is automatically selected with selection handles around it. To customize the button text, click Settings in the action bar. A settings panel opens on the right side. Under Choose What Displays, select your display option and type your text in the What Does It Say field. The text appears on the button in real time as you type. Now let's add a link to make the button functional. Click the link icon in the button's action bar. A link panel opens showing link type options on the left. Select a link type from the left panel. The most common options are page for an internal site page or URL for an external website. The right side of the panel changes based on what you select, showing the relevant input fields. Enter your link information. Once you've set your link, click Done at the bottom of the link panel. The panel closes and your button now has an active link. Click the button again, then click the design icon in the action bar. The design panel opens with preset designs and a customized design option where you can adjust colors, borders, corners, shadows, and text formatting. Test your button by clicking Preview in the top right of the editor to make sure the link works. You can reposition the button by dragging it, resize it using the corner handles, or duplicate it if you need multiple buttons. Once you're ready, publish the site to make the button live for your visitors. That's it, you've got a working button on your Wix site.